guys, so welcome back to industry. And first of all, I want to apologize myself to not uploading any robotic stuff since 1 years, and then and right now I'm in Taiwan for studying. I'm not going to tell you about what I'm doing in Taiwan, campus, how do you get there, and today I want to make a local AI PC for myself, and also I'm buying this very budgetly for myself, only cost $300 US. It is good for me or any people who wanna try jump into local AI by this. So today I'm going to review the specification that I use in here, and each part I'm going to explain how much I get in Taiwan in the center of the computer manufacturer. I will tell my specification first for my local server. So I'm using Ryzen 5 Gen 1, and then for motherboard I'm using Msi A320m. I'm taking AM4. I'm using 16 gigs, and I'm going to tell you the price in Taiwan. Of the storage, I'm using this Kingston. It is all of these are second hand, and these are Kingston 240 gigabytes. My cooling part, I don't know, this is Taiwanese product. I buy everything in here in Shopee Taiwan, Carousel Taiwan, and also in Facebook. Let me show you. Okay, this is a tower, and also I got this monitor. That's $3 is included. This monitor, you see, Acer. I forgot. I will find the specific types of this monitor. So I got my keys here. It is a black keys, and I'm using blue switch. ForgeAnt, I don't know, ForgeAnt, maybe you have ever heard this Chinese brand. It's only $10, maybe $10, yeah. Right, I guess the second-hand PSU. This my friend said, I saw on the internet, these are nice PSU brand in here, and usually I don't know this brand in Indonesia. XTFX, like we got like usual 8 plus bronze level, 600 watts. The last or the main stuff is my graphic card. Yeah, you can see here, you know 3D GeForce. I actually pretty happy because these are my first RTX graphic card, which I've been looking for like in 2021, because RTX are very difficult stuff in that day, and in that day I'm still using GTX 1060, which is not bad. It's pretty good, but I'm always wanna try AI or CUDA cores in RTX, and so today I got my RTX by myself from USA. The thing is, the fan of this broke, and you can see like that. So we will removing this and this fan. So maybe I'm going to use only one fan. I think that's fine as long my part getting circulated better. Okay, so let's get into. Alright guys, so I'm using these boxes because without the casing, A320 Pro VHS Plus, we got two RAM slots. Here is Ryzen 5 16 gigs of of RAM, which is 8 double 8 sticks unbranded RAM. Actually, you know, right, today's RAM's market are very high, and in this graphic card, and before that we're going to install this PSU, put here on the sides. Okay. My storage. Let's get into the CPU. This, Taiwanese brand of thermal paste. First, okay, opening this. Alright, bro, why am I giggling? Nice and slowly. Right guys, so here's are the setup of PC, with SSD here and everything. Finally I can install this, and let's get this up. There you go. Pretty well. Forgot to install this Windows right here, but yes, so it will just stuck right here, and I don't know why they not get into the BIOS, but okay. Okay, so finally we were able to install Windows in here, and actually I am taking 3 hours to discovering it. My problem is the storage. You know, all part of this are second-hand, so it not guarantee you didn't get any problem. And so here's our setup. Okay, the fans working pretty well. Also the CPU for
can't drop his first shot. Well, we know, Greg, that Jokic is never going to be the most explosive athlete, but some have questioned his conditioning, even his motor. What do you see?
I mean, the crazy thing is
coming through!
Right here, right now!
Go, go!
Spike planted.
And a shot! It's there! Well, if ever there was a perfect time to score, I think we just witnessed it. I can give the keeper a little sympathy here because I think he might have been slightly unsighted. However, credit where it's due, it's still a fine finish from a tight spot. and tell us